You've been told oxidative stress is killing you, and that the cure is blueberries, green tea, or supplements. But what if I told you oxidative stress isn't your enemy at all, and that chasing plant antioxidants might be making you sicker? Hey everyone, my name is Marc Bates. I'm a metabolic health coach. This is a question and answer, part of my question and answer series, and this is on oxidative stress isn't the enemy, the nutrition lie keeping you sick. So let's get into it. Here's the question. Given everything we've discussed about the cellular stress paradox and the shift from plant based antioxidants to ketogenic metabolism, what do you see as the most critical misconception that health practitioners and the general public need to overcome? Is it the fundamental misunderstanding of oxidative stress itself, or something deeper about how we've been taught to think about nutrition and cellular health? Well, this is such a pivotal question because it's not just about antioxidants versus ketones. It's about the entire lens through which modern nutrition and medicine view human biology. From my perspective, the most critical misconception isn't just about oxidative stress, it's deeper. It's about the fundamental way we've been taught to think about food, health, and cellular resistance. Let's get into it. Misconception number one, oxidative stress is the enemy. Okay, so the orthodoxy, right, view. Free radicals, ROSs, are bad and must be neutralized by eating more antioxidants, which includes blueberries, kale, green tea, and stuff like that. The reality, ROSs are essential signaling molecules. They regulate mitochondrial biogenesis, immune defense, autophagy, and even stem cell activation. The problem isn't ROSs existing, but when redox balance is broken by excess fuel, too much glucose, too much seed oils, too much alcohol. The deeper truth here is you don't need to add antioxidants. You need to stop overproducing ROSs and allow the body's endogenous antioxidant system, glutathione, SOD, and catalase, to work. Okay? Misconception number two, plants heal us and animal foods harm us. How many times have we heard that? Okay, so the orthodoxy here is that colorful plant compounds are superfoods that protect us. Animal foods, meat, eggs, and saturated fat are dangerous. The reality, these plant compounds are xenobiotics, mild toxins that trick the body into stress responses. Animal foods provide the actual building blocks, amino acids, the DHA, heme iron, B12, and cofactors for mitochondrial and redox health. The deeper truth, the idea that healing requires constant plant hermetics blinds us to the fact that human physiology evolved on animal-based nutrition, with hormesis coming from the environment, fasting, cold, exertion, exercise, not from ingesting plant pesticides. Okay, misconception number three, supplements can replace metabolic health. Oh, I hear this a lot. So orthodoxy, if you're stressed, inflamed, or aging, just add more capsules. Fish oil, resveratrol, turmeric extract, NAC, and it goes on and on and on. The reality, chronic supplementation often bypasses root causes and can worsen redox stress, right? You're taking oxidized fish oil, DNA adducts from sulforaphane, right? All kinds of other things. The deeper truth, true resilience comes from fixing the metabolic foundation, stable insulin, low glucose variability, mitochondrial efficiency, endogenous ketone signaling, and not piling on external fixes. Number four, the core paradigm shift that we all need to think about. Shift from defense to alignment. Most people, practitioners included, are still stuck in a war model of health. Fight free radicals, fight cholesterol, fight bacteria. But the reframe is this: health is not about fighting, it's about aligning with cellular design. ROSs are not villains, they're signals. Plant antioxidants are not essential. They're chemical irritants with short-term drug effects. Animal-based ketogenic metabolism isn't a fad. It's the default operating system for human resilience. Okay, let me bring this. I haven't brought this guy out in a long time. But this is something I bought when I started my health coaching journey. Just to remind me, it's all about balance. And you may get a little bump here and there, but you just return to balance, right? So everything in terms of metabolic health is about balance. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, the most critical misconception to overcome. It's not just a misunderstanding of oxidative stress. It's the misunderstanding of nutrition as pharmacology. We've been trained to see food as a delivery system for magic molecules, right? Polyphenols, flavonoids, antioxidants. Oh, they'll cure you. Food is not a pharmaceutical. In reality, food is fuel and raw material, right? The body already has the antioxidant machinery built in. It just needs the right metabolic context, being in ketosis, low insulin, nutrient sufficiency, to work properly. The obsession with plant compounds as medicine has distracted us from the real drivers of health, controlling insulin, repairing mitochondria, and supporting endogenous defenses, right? Stuff that's already built in. So, what's the bottom line? The misconception to dismantle is that health comes from adding external antioxidants, especially plant-based, to neutralize stress. The deeper truth is health comes from reducing the root sources of excess oxidative stress and re-engaging the body's own antioxidant and repair systems. Ketogenic and carnivore nutrition, by stabilizing insulin, providing nutrient-dense animal foods, and leveraging safe hormetics, ketones, fasting, cold exercise, restore the redox balance without the toxic baggage of chronic plant hormesis. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the appropriate section. This is a community we're building here. I'm here to answer your questions. If there's something you want me to cover, let me know so I can do the research and the videos for you. Let me know. I'm here to help you. And as always, if you haven't already done so, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. It helps the channel, and I thank you for that. But more importantly, it helps a bunch of other people. So have a great day, and we'll see